Hey guys, what's up? Abhijit here and welcome back to another video. So today I have received this parcel and this is one more card from the new digital age banking. This is the LazyPay Unbox the Credit You Deserve. So this is a LazyPay card. It's again powered by SBM, which is Bank of Mauritius. So over here you can see LazyPay Smart Banking by SBM Bank. Hope it's visible. So let me get this aside and let's quickly tear this and see what's inside this LazyPay credit card. So basically these are marketed as credit card, but actually these are not exactly credit card. I don't know what kind of card this is because these cards are actually not accepted on each and every e-commerce website. So on Amazon, Flipkart it's easily accepted, but something like an international website or maybe a Google subscription or Amazon subscription, which is international subscription, that thing may not work with this card. Alright, so inside the box, as you can see, there's nothing else. So I'll put this aside, and here it's written happiness approved. This is the LazyPay logo and this is the LazyPay card. It's kind of similar to the UniPay card boxing. The unboxing video you can find for the UniPay card in the description below, or I will link it somewhere here. And the back side is clean, nothing else. This is the card. Set the pin for your Lazy card on the LazyPay app and start using it. There's nothing else inside the box. This is just a fancy piece of toy, cardboard toy that they have given. And so a message from SBM Bank as usual. Do you feel it? That the feeling of holding something shiny and new, something of your own? Go ahead, pick it, feel it in your palm, hold it against the light, swipe it at a store, use it online, buy gifts for your friends, and after all it's yours, your very own Lazy card. Alright, so there's nothing much inside this box, unlike UniPay and the Slice credit card, which came with some more goodies. There is nothing besides the card in this box. So this is how it looks like. You can have a closer look if you want. So I'll just zoom in for you. So as you can see, it's written LazyPay, and that's a really nice hologram logo embedded on the card, and that's my name. So yeah, that's how it looks like, and it's a Visa Platinum card. So I'll just turn it so you can see it's Visa Platinum, and I'll be using this card now, and I'll let you know the reviews for this. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos and stay tuned. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Till then, bye bye. This is Abhijit signing off.